In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drawing object in LibreOffice Calc quickly and easily. This is a great skill to know if you want to highlight important data, create visual callouts, add shapes, or make your spreadsheet look more professional and easier to understand. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from the home screen, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. You can also open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one you want to edit. Once your spreadsheet is open, you're ready to bring in the drawing tools. Next, go up to the top menu and click View. This is where LibreOffice keeps display options and toolbars that you can turn on or off. In the View menu, hover over Toolbars. You'll see a list of available toolbars, and here you want to find Drawing. Click Drawing to enable it. As soon as you do that, the Drawing toolbar will appear on your screen. Usually it shows up along the bottom or side of the window, depending on your layout. This toolbar gives you access to different shapes and drawing elements you can place directly onto your spreadsheet. Now take a look at the drawing toolbar. You'll see options like lines, rectangles, circles, and other shapes. Choose the drawing object you want to add. For example, if you want to emphasize a section of your sheet, you might choose a rectangle. If you want to point to something specific, you might use a line or arrow. If you want to circle a number or value, choose a circle or ellipse. After selecting the shape, move your cursor over the spreadsheet. Click and drag to draw the object where you want it to appear. As you drag, you'll see the shape form on top of your spreadsheet. Release the mouse when the object is the right size. You can always resize or move it afterward if needed. This is one of the easiest ways to make your calc sheet more visual and easier to interpret. You can use drawing objects to label sections, create simple diagrams, or highlight key rows and columns. It's especially useful when you're presenting information to someone else and want to make the sheet more readable at a glance. If you want to adjust the object after placing it, just click it once to select it. From there, you can move it, resize it, or change its style depending on the shape and available options. LibreOffice Calc gives you a lot of flexibility, so you can make the drawing fit your layout nicely. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a drawing object in LibreOffice Calc. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the drawing toolbar is, and it can make a big difference in how your spreadsheet looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.